Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get your girl to do whatever you want. Now, this topic is brought to you. No. So this topic came about honestly a couple weeks ago because Watch Jazzy was on Shan Booty's podcast, Love and something another, I completely forget what it's called. But Watch Jazzy was talking about being in her, I believe her current relationship or being in relationships in general. She was talking about what her superpower is, and that's how she loves. She's a very submissive girlfriend, fiance, wife, whatever the relationship status is with her and her partner. And everybody, all the men in the comments were like, yes, protect this woman at all costs. She's what we need. Goals. Everybody should be like this girl. Da 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 da. Now, to that I want to say this. I've said this in many videos. If you want your person, because every woman at some point, women don't have an issue being submissive at all. It's about being submissive to the right person. Okay, when a woman really likes you, and we're not even talking about love, and I said this I think in my last video, how to know when she likes you. When she really likes you, she will do anything you want just to make you happy. Okay, you treat her good, she's going to treat you best. There's a whole meme going around right now about that. Like, you treat her good, big yamin. Simple as that. Right? So if you want your girl to submit to you, to cook your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, to pack your bags, to unpack your luggage when you come home, to rub your feet, to suck your toes, to this, Jazzy also said that she was having anal with this person even though she doesn't like it. They've had one successful attempt, or not attempt because they actually did it, but one successful try, and everything after that was super painful. If you watched my video, anal sex shouldn't hurt, I'll post a link somewhere up here. Anal sex should not hurt. It's actually for the person receiving it, it feels really good. For the person giving it, if based on comments I've heard, the anus is a lot tighter than the vagina. I said that so awkward just now. I apologize. I know what body parts are. So it's a different sensation entering the anus than it is entering the vagina. So it's a pleasurable feeling for both the receiver and the giver, but only if you're doing it right. Okay, so that's that. So if you really want your girl to do whatever you say, you just have to treat her really good. Allow her to be, or to allow her to flourish in her femininity or thrive in her femininity while you stand in your masculinity. She should not be changing tires, and yes girls, we should know how to do these things, but she shouldn't be changing her own tires or changing her own oil or trying to call up mechanics to figure out how to do this on her car. If you can't do it, find somebody who can. Pay somebody to do it for you. You are supposed to be her superhero, right? You can't be talking down to her, you can't be insulting her, you can't be judging her, you can't be aggressive with her. If you have, no relationship is perfect. If you have disagreements, leave it within that. Don't go outside of that disagreement or that argument and say, oh, that's why this, that, and the third, that's why he did this to you, that's why, like, be civil, still be nice. At the end of the day, be nice, be sweet. Okay, because once that table turns, once you start getting violent, once you start putting your hands on her, she's going to look at you in a completely different light, and that's not okay. All right. So how to get your girl to do whatever you want is very simple. It's just be nice to her, be sweet to her, make her happy, and she will make you happy. And if at the end of the day you're doing everything for her and she's still not grateful, she's still not making it a softer life for you, then you guys need to probably take a step back and reevaluate. Have a conversation on, all right babes, so I'm doing this, that, and the third, and I want certain things from you that you're not giving to me, so blase. All right. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you want to add anything to what I just said, leave it in the comment section below. If you disagree with anything I've said, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye.